Okay, so hi guys, welcome to back to my channel. Now today, I got something in the mail. And I don't know if it's the cameraman's who's right over here or mine. So let's check it out. Ah. I'm gonna put some sound effects in here because the cameraman, aka the editor also, is gonna do something. This is some random ass shit. I opened it somehow and oh wow. It's Jujutsu Kaisen manga, of course. And I did that. Yeah, that was the easiest seal to open in the whole entire world. And it's opened. This is what it looks like. Oh, wow. And I guess that's it for the video. Bye.